Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now let me talk to you about this. Alam nyo, ang mga tao kasi either titingilain ang leader, dito tinitingalan talaga si President Digong, although bahagyang talagang bumaba ang kanyang survey, mataas pa rin yun. Kaya kung ano sinasabi ni President Digong, pinakikinggan ho ng taong bayan, binabantayan ang kanyang mga ginagawa at doon sa resulta ng kanyang ginagawa, yun hong magiging batayan. Kaya alam ho ni President Digong, the perception game. Ngayon, ang mga tao ay kay huhusgahan sa mga bagay na sinabi mo, ginagawa mo, hindi lang yung sa performance. Marami ho kasi mga performer, tulad ho ni Mar Rojas, performer ho yan, puro ngak-ngak. Pagdating ho doon sa sinasabing accomplishment, ala. Ganun ho mga dilawan. Nakikinig ka ba, Trillanes? Nakikinig ka ba, Vice President? And your likes? And the yellow media, you guys listening? Alam nyo, mga boss, hindi ko ho ma-blame si President Digong. I am not trying to defend the President. I stand my ground. I'm going to say it. I don't care if you like what I say. In everything that I say, there's truthfulness into it. I don't have to be objective. Because truthfulness is above objectivity. I don't need to balance. Ang pagbabalanse, sa itaas ng pagbabalanse mo, kailangan may katotohanan. Ang katotohanan ay mas mahalaga sa sinasabing pagiging objective at pagiging balanse. Aanhin mo ang pagiging objective tulad ng ginagawa ng mga medyang dilaw, objective pero may kulay dilaw. Pero hindi totoo. Aanhin mong pagbabalanse, kalahati katotohanan, kalahati kasinungalingan. One journalism student who kayo, this is my take. Ben Poole for the journalist. It's always truthfulness above objectivity and balance.